CIFF Office and Commercial Space CIFM interzum Guangzhou is Asia's premier trade fair for office and commercial furniture, smart workspace solutions, and interior design technologies, held alongside the China International Furniture Fair.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
The event brings together global manufacturers, suppliers, designers, and industry experts to showcase the latest innovations and products in office and commercial space design. Visitors can explore office desks and seating, public and commercial furniture, school and hotel furnishings, senior care seating, and durable steel furniture. The exhibition also features machinery, panel materials, hardware, and interior finishing solutions. CIFF interzum Guangzhou serves as a key platform for networking, forming business partnerships, discovering innovative materials and technologies, and gaining insights into global market trends. Attendees can enhance efficiency, drive innovation, and explore growth opportunities in the office and commercial furniture industry. CIFF Office and Commercial Space CIFM interzum Guangzhou is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.